Today I'll be covering two features that our prop master material is comprised of. Texture overlay. Texture overlay takes the base albedo and turns it into a height map. This artificial height map will then be used as an alpha mask through a simple lerp node system, mixing the base albedo with the mask albedo together. The breakdown of this can be found and followed in the master material. Everything is named and color coded to make reverse engineering easier. Here's a quick rundown on our master material. We extract the artificial height map from the albedo and adjust the contrast values to change how much the texture mask will affect the material. It's very simple. This gives us artistic control without overcomplicating the material, keeping everything cheap within the shader. World Align Blend. World Align Blend takes a second texture and projects it onto the object's z-axis position that mixes and overlaps with the base albedo texture. A lerp node is used again to mix the two textures together. World Align Blend works best when you want to put sand, snow, or water on top of surfaces, while Texture Overlay works best when it comes to rust, mud, grime, moss, or a fresh coat of paint. The materials are cheap and well optimized. Feel free to go wild with these and make hundreds of variations.